This is a quick look at my very crude DIY Turboexpander. It's based on a dental drill. It's just a off-the-shelf handpiece, about 30 quid off eBay. It's coupled to a RC car motor, brushless DC motor, that acts as a load. It's set up as a generator here. There's a discrete bridge rectifier, and the output goes to some nichrome wire to act as a variable resistor. This is a temperature sensor, so the top temperature is the actual head and the bottom is the output gas temperature. I'm going to apply some pressure. There we go. Going about 4 bar. Still playing around with various properties. For example, the resistor's quite hot. Adjusting the length adjusts the load on the generator. I imagine there's an optimum point for maximum power transfer. And this is running without any sort of regenerative heat exchanger. The gas is just vented directly to the atmosphere. The incoming air is about 20 degrees or so, but the performance is still quite impressive, really. And just to prove it is actually acting as a turbo expander, here it is running without a load. So I've cut the shaft coupler, there's no connection to the motor anymore, so the turbine runs unloaded. So if I apply some air, quickly reaches full speed, and the temperature begins to rise from friction losses, presumably in the bearings. But no cooling effect at all.